You won't need any followers, you won't need to do any selling, no producing of products, all this, and you can still get paid hundreds of dollars by using Instagram. In today's video, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step. This method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are. You can very much join in on today's method. This method is also great for beginners, so we definitely think that you should stick around. Now, today's method is completely free and it is undeniably great. Except, you won't become a millionaire with today's method, nor is it something that you can keep running long term. But if you do start with this, then your money-making online journey has only begun. Trust us. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First step is to make sure that you have an Instagram account. Now, if you don't, then make sure that you create one before continuing on with the rest of today's process. Now, to do so, you're just going to want to go on Instagram.com, and then you will see this. Just click on sign up right here, then you'll see this. So go ahead and input whatever it is they're asking. Your mobile number, your email, your full name, your username and password, and then hit on sign up, and just like that, you have yourself an Instagram account. You can download this obviously on your mobile phones, both Android and iOS, so you can also create an account through your mobile phone. Before anything else, let's check how many people in total visit Instagram, just to determine how big this platform is or has become. So according to SimilarWeb, it's the 5th biggest app around the globe. And the total visits of this website is up to 6 billion visits. Now that is absolutely insane. So for our next website, it's called Yazing.com, and as you can see, get paid for every purchase you make and influence online. And aside from that, this website caters to affiliate marketing as well, which makes everything 10 times better. You can find a lot of offers on this website that you can promote, and then you get a commission every time someone purchases something using your link. So what you will want to do is go ahead and sign up on this website by clicking on join now on the upper right corner. Then proceed to fill up all of the details being asked of you, your username, your email, your password twice, and then hit on register now once that's complete. You can also join using your Facebook account if you want, if that's what you'd prefer. Anyway, once you sign up, you're going to be asked to verify your email address. So just look for an email that looks just like this, then click on the link to activate your account, and boom, account created and activated. And this is how it would look like inside. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So if you actually scroll down, you'll see all of the different products that you promote and earn commission from. You can easily just choose any of these, and even all if you want to. Then just select on promote to earn, since we have interest on getting cash back. Now our purpose here is to earn money. We have no interest in getting our cash back. We need cash, not cash back, because in the first place we have no cash there. So you can actually see how much percentage of one purchase goes to you, so at least you know what you're getting or the money that you're receiving, if it's worth the actions that you did. So now let's choose BlockFi as an example, and as you can see, it can make me up to $500 per person that I am able to refer to their website. Now this is the claim of BlockFi, and to be very honest with you, to be very solid with you, I was a little bit skeptical about this, but it turned out to be really great, and I am glad that I tried this method in the first place. Now before we proceed, we suggest that you learn and read more about the website that you chose to promote before promoting it, and you're going to know why in a few moments. So in our case, we have BlockFi, and as you can see, this is their website. Don't just buy Bitcoin, earn it. BlockFi is the easiest place to buy, sell, and earn cryptocurrency. Sign up and start earning today. You can obviously read some more and read all if you can, but once you've gotten that out of the way, you can then click on promote to earn. Then you'll see your link. So copy that, and then we're going to proceed to our next website, which is actually called Snappa.com. And we've talked about this before in a past video, but to those who are new here, to those who are not familiar of Snappa.com, it is basically where you can create any design. You can do any graphic designing, mostly, presentations and stuff like that. So that's basically what it is. Now, of course, you're gonna want to sign up first as per instructions so you can get started. And now once you have an account, you can finally see all of the templates of different types of posts. And as you can see, we have Instagram story along with like Facebook stories and Facebook posts or whatever, but since we need an Instagram story template, that's exactly what we're gonna click on. So now you click on Instagram story, and you'll be brought to another page with even more templates, but this time only the ones specifically made for an Instagram story post. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Basically, just choose any random template that you want, and then you're supposed to now edit this according to promoting your link or website. Since ours is BlockFi, we're making an Instagram story that basically explains or gives a very brief description about BlockFi, and for example, make up to 8.25% on your investments annually. Best way to earn crypto online. Now the thing that you guys need to remember here is that when the time comes that you are going to advertise your affiliate link, it needs to be something that will immediately catch people's eyes, because everything on virtual is already kind of blurry, already kind of delayed and kind of unclear. So it's important that you put something that people will really notice, something that's just simply impossible to not notice, right? So that's just a little tip that we think you guys should take from us. And now that our Instagram story is all set and it's prepared, now we need to prepare for posting. Now that is where the Instagram account comes in. You don't exactly need followers, because we're actually gonna hire other people who have up to 500,000 followers to do that for us. They are going to literally advertise our affiliate link, of course with something in return like money, but you'll see what we're talking about in a bit. Now we want you to go on shoutcart.com next, and basically on this website you can find influencers with over 500,000 followers who have even millions of followers, and who take in offers like they will promote affiliate links for you, plus in exchange you're going to pay them for very low prices too. So all you need to do is sign up on this website, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and look for influencers who will post your affiliate link and promote it for you for as low as $10. And that is basically it. If you do this, your money will keep flowing on complete autopilot, and I know that's what everyone wants and everyone loves. And we will see you in the next one. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.